Hi everyone, Nina here. Thanks for joining me today to create these amazing spring pages. It is by far the best fun I ever had creating a spring journal. To get started, I did use the Planner Essential dies to create these tags, and I'm going to use a kit that was released last year, spring 2021. I didn't get the chance to use it since then. It's by Queen and Company. I don't know if it's still available. I'm gonna link it if I find it, but it is so cute, and you can easily create it from any other dies that you have. Look how the cute die creates these stitched water can for. So for the first page, I'm going to use the pattern paper that came with the kit. The kit also has this ready pre-cut foam backing that is cut the same shape for each die. You just have to cut the water can and then directly attach the base, glue the base to your background without raising it with foam tape or anything. You just glue it to the background. All these pieces that we're going to create today are going to be shaker pieces. And the beads, look how cute the dimension is. The beads come with the kit. I also am going to use some of the beads that I already have. So I'm imagining that the flowers, I want them to be yellow and pink. And of course, the stems are going to be green. So I made this combination of these colors that I'm going to use for the flowers. Also, this acetate comes with the kit. It is the pre-cut to the shape of the watering can. Look how cute the shaking elements are. So cute. And then I'm going to get all these things are included in the kit, all the flowers, the stems of the flowers and everything. I'm just imagining where everything is gonna go. And then I'm gonna cut them using I'm gonna check my stash and I'm gonna check what colors of the cardstock that I have that matches these shaker elements. Then to make the page more sturdy, because the paper that comes with the kit is a little thin, so I did cut again from white cardstock, thick cardstock, Bristol smooth, and I'm going to glue them together to make each tag more sturdy. Look how cute. So cute. I did open it again and I added the stems inside and then I closed it back again. So for the second page, for the first one, I was going slower and then I'm gonna go a little faster for the other pages because the process is pretty much the same. So for this one, I did want to create planter that is the boot shaped, and I did make one without raising it or anything. I just glued it directly to the background, and the other one I'm using the foam tape. And I had these little fruits as well from my stash, and I thought I'll be using them with this planter. They look so cute. Again, I'm trying to match everything together. Look how cute the elements are. Again, I'm trying to match the elements together that I put inside the shaker with the background, with the boot color, with the flowers that I'm gonna add later. Here I thought I'll add couple blue flowers. That's why I added these blue elements. Then I'm going to put my acetate and I'm gonna put the frame of the boots on top, just the exact same way. Don't forget that all the tools and the materials that I'm going to use today are all linked down below in case you want to check any of them. I also cut using the same Planner Essentials kit, these reinforcing the holes of the tags. It comes with different shapes, just a solid one that has stitches, and another one that has just a dotted frame. Look how cute. I added the flowers. I did raise some of the flowers with foam tape, and the others are uh, with just backed it with paper behind it. Look how cute the fruits are. So cute. Same thing here, same thing, same idea. You're just gonna glue the middle part and then you're gonna put the foam tape around it and then the shaker elements and then you're gonna close with acetate and the frame by the end. And here this flower pot comes with this reinforcing the top of the flower pot. Looks so cute. The background here is very light green. It's not showing here, and I reinforced with the part around the of dark green around the hole. Look how cute this one was. The the bird with the bird house. That's so cute. For this one, because of the background was busy and I wanted something between my shaker element, here it's a wheelbarrow, and I wanted to show it, so I did add this white circle. This die creates these little cute vegetables. It creates tomato and the top part, the top green part of the tomato, also carrot and its leaves, like I think 4 or 5 kinds of vegetables. And with the kit, it comes a die that creates these sort of bags, seed bags or produce bags. They're just so cute. Whatever you harvest back, I guess it's seeds. And you create it by putting these two parts together. It creates this cute circle in the middle that shows, so you can add your vegetable on top of it. Look how cute they are. It's so cute. So I'm just gonna add them to the wheelbarrow as if the gardener is like going around and emptying these seeds, getting everything ready for planting. Look how cute. Look at the parts of the shaker elements are brown as if it's the dirt or the soil. Look how cute they are. Also, the spade comes with the kit. The kit also comes with these amazing gardening sentiments. They're also sweet for like if you want to gift a gardener. Look how it says, when you plant happiness. Here it says love makes everything grow. And I did make these, may all your weeds be wildflowers. It's so cute. I did cut this with my dies from my stash, and I then did punch a hole, eyelet with the Crop-A-Dile. To plan the garden is to believe in tomorrow. Look how cute. I did also back it with white here. I cut it from white and I cut it again from pink, and I add them to each other and then added the eyelet. Here it says, gardeners do not age, they ripen. So cute. So beautiful. It was so much fun creating them. Then I thought about putting them together in ring. I had this metal ring, and I'm going to add each tag, and on top of it, and just next to it, on top of it, it's a sentiment, or it's like a sentiment banner. And then I'm just gonna close my ring, and I'm gonna flip through quickly how everything looks. I also, on all the flowers, I added these cute enamel dots. Look how cute the shaker elements are. Look at the stitched tags. Look at the flowers, the colors, they're all matching together, but it's because they all are from the same kit, they all match together. Look how cute. It is so pretty to give to a gardening friend of yours, someone who grows these cute plants, a plant mommy. So beautiful. I had so much fun creating these pages with you guys today. I hope you did too. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting, commenting, and being here and stopping by. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps my channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!